welcome back to another episode of I Am Ready for Love, ready to love myself, ready to love someone else, and ready to teach someone else how to love me. Alright, so today we're coming to you. Did we introduce ourselves? I'm Kanissa and this is Jerome.
Yup.
For those of you who is your first time here. Alright, so today we're coming to you with a challenge. What's it called? Couples challenge? Husband and wife tag? No. We just gotta ask one another a few questions just to see how well we know each other. And there are consequences if you don't get them right.
So it's basically things I should know, or things you should know about your partner. Alright? So the consequences part of it, guys, I'm kind of nervous, like nervous bad, because I came up with the idea of some of the items, and honestly, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Up to now, last night I didn't sleep good because I don't have to do the video. Today, so Kay said that if we get the answer wrong, we have 3 things that we have to take a taste of, or eat some of, right? Number 1 is this thing here.
Mayo.
So 1 spoon of mayo.
No, half a spoon.
Half a spoon.
Yes.
About half a spoon. Because you lactose intolerant. And she come with the mayo, you know. Alright. So half spoon mayo.
Half a spoon of everything.
Alright, half a spoon of everything except the shot. Half a spoon of ketchup. We done this. And then a shot of vodka, right? All we're gonna do it is that if you get something wrong, half shot of vodka. Alright. If you get something wrong, you pick a paper from the jar, and if you say mayo, then you know say mayo are yours. So I'm just pray for me because you don't know say you're a team zero for the 1 year, so I'm not get nothing wrong. Because honestly, I don't know how I'm
You see, I went easy and I gave him very easy questions, and I know say him lick me with so hard something when I don't know.
But you don't know what kind of questions me, right?
I believe say I go do that because you see him, he don't play fair.
No, it's not
me we cheat sometimes, you know, but he don't play fair none
guys,
at all.
I play fair. Things that I don't have good memory when it comes down to remember certain things, so I know she's gonna catch me. And I don't drink eat after whole ketchup, but this mayo something that I can do. Like seriously,
I don't want none of them.
Sometimes I feel like she know too much, then she have to taste something, so I might just switch. So.
Okay guys, so let's get into it.
No. Ladies before gentlemen. Every
yes,
time.
you would have asked me first.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright.
You see, are you ready for con defend it?
No, man, because ladies unfair sometimes. Every time they
No
use
matter
this.
explain, just ask the question. I can get a sip of water first.
You're nervous? Alright. So my first question to you is, what is my birthplace?
As in parish, hospital?
No, the hospital and the place. Which hospital or which home, which nest, which
tree,
which manger. Where's my birthplace?
St. Anne's Hospital. I know that.
No, links to the hospital. God, you're good. So, let me help you do the honors. Just take one.
I mean, no, say you don't ask the question,
Come. Take one. I like this game. Yes.
No, this so big. What is?
Come, tell the people more.
Vodka.
No, this is not fear. What kind of vodka?
So, oh, it no fear.
You're like, vodka. This is not fear.
Hey!
I don't believe that. In fact, look at that.
Look how much you put in a cup.
Come
And the cup wide.
Actually smell nice because of apple vodka.
It's not
Green
fair.
apple.
Alright. Amen. Communion.
Not anybody can do that. Make me feel away. Disappointed. Kill all the worm in there, really. Come in.
It's hot.
Alright, ready. B, that doesn't nothing. You don't like rum with that money. You understand?
Remember, sir, okay, so you're full of tea.
You can't understand that to me.
No. Let me all marky.
She a OD thing now.
No, come on, make sure.
Alright, ask the question.
Alright. What two pets? What did the question say? What two pets do I want? Or me always talk about?
You want to sit there and feel answer. So she
I
want,
want two.
you want a dog
Mm-hmm.
and a fish.
Yeah. You're reading the question,
No,
you know.
I would not do that. I just have memory and I pay attention. Like
Why is it fish?
You know, Miss Why I said we just say, oh, a fish, you know. You're missing that. Because we want to cook him up there ready. Come ready. So, guys, she want a dog and she want a fish.
Let me chase a bun.
I think I like this game now. So, my time. Alright. What is my blood type? You should know that I'm your husband. Something can happen and then you don't know what. They call on you. What's your husband's blood type? Blood type.
B.
No, you have to be specific. Yeah, B minus, B positive, B what? Or A positive, whatever. B positive. My God Almighty. Thank you, Lord. Come in, Bill. This game is nice. But you're looking to see a vodka something again. Alright, come, just pull it out. I pray it's mayo. Let me see. Mayo, that's good.
No, I can take up the biggest spoon.
No, it's not a little tube in it. Give me a take it out and show the people. And then the answer is a half spoon.
Jesus!
Alright, let me take half a little bit.
Strip off some of my top too. Where's the B positive?
Yeah.
Alright, do that.
Come here. Come now, Dave. Guys, the good old meal that I don't like.
You see how much you give me?
That's not a lot, that's half spoon.
And it eye up. You see it eye up?
Come, go on.
I'm if it's so.
Come, eat it and not bother the push. It's your idea. Yeah. Yeah. Put it on here, son. It's done it. Talk the way they're gonna finish. You know what I want? That's disgusting.
Oh, man, control. Alright. What date? Me did ask you if me have permission to ask a question like this and
The
you
exact
said yes,
date?
yes. What date did you first tell me that you love me?
No, cancer. That's a wickedness.
No, me
That's a
asked you
wickedness.
last night if I'm allowed to ask a question like that, and you said yes.
What date I first told you that I love
Yep.
you? No, exact date, month and year.
You don't have to give me a year.
March 18, 2017. I don't know.
No. May 12th, 2019.
Have you come away?
Come.
Oh, Jesus.
Mayor, yes! Yes! Yes!
No, we're done.
Yes!
No, we're
No,
done.
you're not done. You're not done. You're not done. Come.
Jesus Christ.
God is good. Hey, God good there? Let me tell you about God, man. Let me tell you about God. Let me
Wait,
take
look at
off some.
Dean, I feel like no choke, but serious, I don't think I can do this.
Half. Alright, let me take off some.
Because no choke, I can't manage it. I didn't know that.
You see how me and lenient? Me take
No,
off
smell
some.
too much. I can't. Yes.
Cover your nose. This is how much I'm giving you.
Alright, quick. Let's do. Give me. Put that back on
Put
the tongue.
it in your mouth. Yeah, so like, swallow it. Swallow it. Yeah, swallow it.
Yeah.
Well bed.
No.
Go on, drink some water.
You can't do this again.
Drink some water. No, put that on it. Drink some water. Come, sky. Wash out your mouth.
You can't do this again.
Good? In whatever. When they have big ditch, big pool. Before we started, I said to him, say, make we take out the mayo and put in pepper instead. He said, no, come me have to take it.
Can I have vodka?
You want some more water?
Yeah, I can't do this thing. I'm sure. If you do it one more time, I swear I'm sure.
I told you, I tell him, make me switch it out in and he said, no. Good. Me happy for you. Come, ask a question. Me ask this.
Be
Me ask.
we can't do something if you don't like the mail.
Well,
No, find something else. Unless you make can't do mail.
if you don't want, if you get it wrong, you have to forfeit one of your questions. If you don't want to take it something.
Then me say no, me can't. Anybody that get me got trouble, video got in. No, I'm serious, me can't do.
Alright, go on, ask the question.
Jesus Christ. What is my bathroom habit when I'm using the toilet?
Take off your clothes.
No.
Your shirt.
No.
And rub your eyes.
You're wrong. I get it wrong already. Rubbing my eyes. So pick something. This is take off my shirt. Take off
But
my
me
shirt.
give you the answer.
No, you said the wrong thing. Take
You
off my clothes.
always take off your shirt.
No.
You always take off your shirt.
I never get a choose to put the take off shirt at night.
You always take off your shirt.
That
no.
no, that rare. They're rubbing the eye part. So me I'll give you things I'll get the part. Alright, fine. Sticky. Go on. No, it's the spoon.
What part of you do I like the most?
My eyes. Does it? Oh god. What are the three most important women in my life?
Me? Let me go with this.
I like see me, man. I swear this you want to
Me, Pam and Peter again.
Alright.
Oh. Alright. Name.
These are PMA you put in the option there.
No, remember me get vodka.
Take them out in their room, use them. Go on.
Alright. Name 4 schools I went to.
Overall,
Yeah.
so Morabi High School, JTS, Excelsior, Community College, and Portsmouth University.
I never went to Excelsior.
You said you went there.
I said I got through to go there.
No, but you said you went there and then your friend called you and told you that they accepted the 6th form and then you left and you went to 6th form. That was
But
the
me
story.
never go.
You never go completely, but you went there, so you don't tell me that. Your name is over there in their records. That's what you told me. Right? Don't call me Karen. Alright,
Me
so
didn't
we
pay no school fee
no
over there.
business. Me got you here, my name finish when my school from pay part. Come. Moving on. Yes. Moving
Fine,
on.
okay, go
Yeah.
on. Go on.
My question. You want to meet mail? Like no more mail. Alright. What's what are 4 rooms that must be in my dream home other than kitchen and bathroom? So these 4 rooms must be a part of my dream home other than kitchen and the bathroom.
A movie theater, office, gym.
Come baby, you have 10 seconds.
If the count load. But count load in there 3. Garage count.
2, 1. entire room, a walk-in closet.
You said then something in court. You said bathroom and kitchen and then something in
So what's a bathroom and kitchen?
But closet count as that.
No, I told you that I want one entire room to be my walk-in closet and you're quarreling with me. I said that to you.
Okay.
Good. So, yeah. Creates me.
Vodka.
So why you get all that vodka and get no... You should flip this thing because the night the more than me there. There's been literally go pass out. So we're now going to church after this.
Look on the line, you know, no, but I pass the line. We are rubbing it off. Alright, so you're passing.
Let's drink some for you.
Drink out some. It's still over here.
Drink that man, it's bitter too.
So me and this now, okay, love.
Don't worry about that, don't pass.
Alright.
You know, like the most spirit, we're going to church shortly. Alright. That's good. Sometimes you need little to catch up a stomach and to kill the worms. Alright, my question is.
I'm dying.
Okay. You can put the milk back in the fridge. We don't think we can do this. Worst thing ever make.
What did I study at both universities?
Okay. So at Portsmouth University, you did a major in sociology and a minor in media and communication. At the Jamaica Theological Seminary, you did a major in theology and a minor in leadership and ministry. Girl, I
never media and communication.
Oh.
Media studies.
Come on, Canessa. No, people, talk to it. That's how we can do.
Alright, go on. What is something you do that I wish you wouldn't?
That vague, that just big day, like something I do, or what if things we don't know you wouldn't, I wish we wouldn't do.
Tell me a man.
Something that I do that I wish you wouldn't do.
That I wish you wouldn't do.
Oh, when persons call me and I tell them where I am.
Me hate this something. Somebody just want any random somebody call him. Hi, Mr. Greenland, how are you? Hi, you know I'm on the road. I'm coming from St. Thomas, you know. So I'll call you back. Why you need to tell?
No, we don't know.
Where you come from and where you do.
No, honestly, I agree. I need to change that, but it's a part of me that I don't practice the hide things. So.
I mean, say, and I like that family, you know, anybody will call.
No, it depends. Not anybody.
No, remember the day when time the parent did call.
Yeah, but I said to her that I'm in Kingston.
You don't need to tell her that.
Yeah, I'm not going to say then that I am at Price Smart. I am no, just say I am at the parish.
Okay.
Like, that's me. Just to show that I'm not there.
Okay.
But I'm fixing
ask
it.
the question.
But I got it right. Who do I share most confidential information with?
Besides me or including?
Who do I share my most confidential information with?
Me.
Okay.
You secretive bad, you not tell people no. What year? Alright, you can't. No. What year did I go to Portmore Primary School?
What year did you go to Portmore Primary School? Jesus Christ. You can't use my calculator?
No. Because I did.
Oh, but no, alright. Anyways. Portmore Primary School, babe. You didn't even know any time there.
But me talk about this all the while.
Well on people. So it's gonna be what are you doing now primary school again? 7?
6, 7.
Alright, 6, 7.
But
so
me did go early.
6. So
No, me did go early. I went at 5.
okay, alright. So 5, so it's gonna be
I know birth.
Oh, no.
I know which year me. No, how old I was in which year.
You went there at
Not how old I was, which year.
me know.
Okay.
So it's gonna be no from that equal that. I try to tell me?
No. Oh, we reach a styling.
I might make kind of swear I go 1990. Or 1990 something.
No.
Primary school.
Yes.
Oh, you never started in grade 1 there?
No.
What's it not in grade 1 there? How make you know that?
I always talk about it at the year when we meet Olivia, me and
What
Kay
grade?
and
What grade? What grade were you in?
I always tell her the grade.
Oh, yeah, 2002. I don't know.
No.
How much?
2001.
Only one of the people. Father.
2001, I was in grade 5.
Alright. Yeah, people, if it's a man, there's a video done. Can't be like one something. Maybe it's right more M9
No, I'm right. It's the same.
I'm not even more than there. I'm not
They have
even
a
more.
forfeit on it, a question.
Oh, I mean, I ask you. So you can ask one more.
So you have to ask less than 10 and 9 questions and allow them.
Alright. Me no want more feeling.
Alright, me take out the mail them.
Me take pick this one.
Alright. You wanna go to ketchup?
But I take a jump, I drink your whole bottle. I don't have a problem.
Pass the vodka.
Next time we have the challenge, our conflicts I use. We're not right.
No.
Alright. No. I told you to drink that.
No,
Guys.
try it back in the bottle.
No, we're not wasting the vodka. You're not going
Me
to
not drink no. Me drink no
How
already.
we are going to drink this?
Me drink no already.
Me no want to spirit that me have.
True, that's just something.
Peeps I don't drink alcohol.
Alright, me throw something like this.
Alright, give me. No, waste it. It's expensive.
And a sip if you sip it. It's a shot. Knock it back.
You take one already?
No, you can't sip it. That will take too long. Knock it back. Knock it back. You said easy. Knock it back. You don't promise the people them. Knock it back. You money out of my water.
I'm not used to this. I don't drink alcohol like that. He used to say the shot that we take. Have subscribed to it. Yeah, that's our subscription, okay? So this is the end of the journey. But we know who win in the comment section.
Me?
No, but please, I'm gonna me alone that can win.
True, are you win? Because me do more eating.
Yeah, so me know her. You see, man, so don't talk to her. She need to know her husband. You get what I'm saying?
No, but you're asking so far out of the way question.
Yeah, who asks for the way question? People are asking about what
Yeah,
you
ask me a blood type. You know how much of them are watching, don't even know if them own a blood type.
Only if you know the blood type. What I'm doing. I never know when I go more.
Let me see where you ask me.
But that is it, peeps. So remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to like this video, share the video, and tell somebody about I Am Ready for Love. Alright? Anything good? Can close the video now.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching.
Alright, so remember to subscribe to our channel I Am Ready for Love.
Yep.
Tell somebody about the channel, and please just like this video, drop your comments down below, and just salute the winner for the challenge. You see it? I will win.
So we're not already say you.
No, I'm not here from you. Different talk. I will win. Alright, until next time. Next time, rather. Take care. Peace.
You
You feel
jumped
like
already.
first.